maths book? No chatting in online class, okay? This is not right. Don't say hi and hello. You can say it later on your phone, personal first. Okay, I'll not allow during online classes. Okay? No chatting during online class. Right? Okay, people? Okay. Now take out your maths book. This is your maths period. Take out your maths book. When the lesson starting. Time, okay, lesson time. Page number 154. Page number 154. Okay. Now, what do you know about the clock? Who will tell about a clock? Only one child will tell and rest everyone will mute the microphone. Raising the hand, anyone who okay? अभी से प्रियल ने hand raise किया है. Okay, everyone mute the microphone. Everyone mute the microphone. Only Priyal will say. Priyal will say the answer. Abira, mute your mic. Abira. Everyone mute the microphone. Yes, Priyal. Okay, rest mute the microphone. Sarah will say the answer. Everyone mute the microphone. I don't want others to come. Yes, Saima. Only this much? No, Saira, no mark in exam, Saima. Yes, now Arnav Rai. Mohammad Ibrahim, you want to say? Mohammad? Yes, Mohammad Ibrahim. Everyone mute your microphone. Yes? 1 point. बाकी पॉइंट्स का है बेटा 1 to 12 मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. Who else will tell complete answer? There are. Yes, Nabira will tell the answer. Very good, Nabira. हाँ. उसके बाद आप only. Okay, now mute your microphone, children. Mute your microphone. Hold the correct answer. Mute your microphones. Okay. A clock has a face. It has numbers 1 to 12. It has two hands. How many hands? Hands. The long hand tells about the minutes and the short hand tells about the hours. Okay. This plans. Rizvi. Who is this Mohsin Rizvi? Who is this Mohsin Rizvi? Mohsin Rizvi and who is this Mohsin Rizvi? Yes. Please try to mute your microphone. Mohsin Rizvi, who is this Mohsin Rizvi? Who are you? I am not able to know. बेटा ये किसकी आईडी है? मोहसिन रिजवी में आई नो खदीजा ओके बट बेटा अपने नाम की आईडी बना के ज्वाइन करिए मैम को बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है फॉर अटेंडेंस ओके राइट यस बेटा ओके फ्रॉम टुमारो ज्वाइन विद योर नेम आईडी ओके दोज हु आर नॉट हैविंग द नेम या आई कैन गेस मदिहा मनीषा मदन पार्थ मदन आई कैन गेस मोहसिन रिजवी नरजिस फातिमा हु इज दिस नरजिस फातिमा नरजिस फातिमा रिचा रस्तोगी प्लीज प्लीज स्टूडेंट नरजिस फातिमा ओके एंड नरजिस फातिमा नरजिस प्लीज क्लेरिफाई ओके साइमा बेटा अपने नेम की आईडी बना के उससे ज्वाइन करना है ओके 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 नाउ म्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन चिल्ड्रन यस यस नाउ ओके गॉट योर नेम बट कल से अपनी नेम रेडी करिएगा बिकॉज कंफ्यूजन होगा कांट माइंड ना ओके ओके बेटा fill in the blanks dash is the first day of the week dash is the first day of the week Monday dash is the second day of the week and rest are shouting I don't want shout. No shouting in class dash is the fifth day of the week Day. What is the fifth? No, no. Friday. Yes, Friday is the. Children, सही से तो learn करिए. What rubbish you are shouting in the class without speaking your name. ऐसे नहीं करना है. Now everyone mute the microphone. Call the name. Name wise I'll call. Emmer will tell now. Emmer, open your microphone. Others mute your microphone. Emmer, class is open. Emmer, okay now. Dash comes in between Thursday and Saturday. Emma, open your microphone. Ranveer, mute your microphone. Ranveer, Dash comes in between Thursday and Saturday. Dash comes in between Thursday and Saturday. Friday, yes. Now everyone, please mute your microphone. Now nobody will open the microphone, else I will not ask. Please, जिससे मैम पूछेंगी सिर्फ वही बोलेगा. I will call your name and then you will reply. Now Anjas. Anjas will open the microphone. Only Anjas will open the microphone. Anjas, open your microphone. Anjas Kashyap. Anjas, are you there or not? Next, I will call once only. एक बार name लूंगी. Anjas has opened the microphone. Yes, Anjas. Now Anjas will tell dash comes before Sunday. Anjas, Sunday से पहले क्या आता है? What comes before Sunday? Anjas. Yes. Yes. Speak loudly. What comes before? Anjas. Friday. How come Saturday? What are you speaking? Speak properly. बेटे मोबाइल के पास आइए जहां पे भी आप wherever you are sitting. Yes, speak near the microphone. Anjas, are you hearing the voice? Okay. Now next who will tell? Wait, I'm telling the name. Anjas, mute your microphone. Arnav Kapil. Arnav, open the microphone. Mute करिए बेटा. Arnav Kapil. No, good morning. Arnav, tell me. Arnav Kapil बेटा. Arnav राय नहीं बोला है बेटा. Please mute कर लो अपना microphone. Arnav Kapil. Dash comes before Sunday. Kapil will tell. Dash comes before Sunday. Sunday से पहले क्या आता है? Don't ask mother. No. Saturday. Spelling of Saturday. Arnav Kapil. Spelling of Saturday. Yes. TURDAY. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, good. Now mute your microphone. Next is Atharv Raj. Atharv Raj, open the microphone. Atharv Raj, open your microphone. Atharv Raj, where are you now? Atharv Raj, can you hear me? Okay. Dash is the first month of the year. Every new year has started right now 2000. So जनवरी नहीं बोलते बेटा, जनवरी. जनवरी नहीं है, देखिए WARI नहीं है ना उसमें, RY. January, right? So what is the spelling of January? What is the spelling of January? J, don't know. Madiha, I did call you Madiha. Very wrong. Mute your microphone. Yes, Athar Raj. Be quiet, yes, Tandon. No page number. 100 times I will tell you. 156 page we are doing. Where are you? Fill in the blanks we are doing now. 156. And on next page 157 I am doing now. You will speak answer from the book. Yes, please be in class, okay? What ma'am is saying. Yes, Athar, you have not learned. Now next person will tell me the spelling of January. Farheen Khan, who is this? Farheen, I am not guessing. Farheen, Arisha, okay, Farheen is Arisha. Arisha, वही मुझे बहुत confusion होगा ऐसे, please अपने नेम की आईडी करिए. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जनवरी? अरीशा, जनवरी की स्पेलिंग बेटा है आपको? यू नो द स्पेलिंग? Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, now mute your microphone. Next. Next is Harsh Kumar. Harsh will tell me the answer. Harsh, open your microphone. Yes. Dash comes after November. Dash comes after November. दिसंबर नहीं बोलना है, दिसंबर. ठीक है, दिसंबर. दिसंबर इज हिंदी वर्ड. ओके, दिसंबर you have to say, December you have to say. And what is the spelling of December? Very good, very good. Well done. Mute your microphone, Harsh. Come on. Now, who is this Kishle Avasti? I feel not getting. ओके, वर्दा. यस वर्दा बेटा, अपने नेम की आईडी प्लीज कर लीजिए. मैं तो ऐसी बोलती रह जाऊंगी, फरीन और यही बोलती रह जाऊंगी. सो लॉट फॉर वेस्टेड. वर्दा पांडे. यस वर्दा. नाउ टेल मी, डैश इज द 9th month ऑफ द ईयर. कम ऑन, कैलकुलेट एंड टेल मी 9th month कौन सा ईयर का है? ईयर में नो 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 नो. साइन और नॉट वर्दा पांडे. आई एम आस्किंग वर्दा पांडे. वर्दा प्लीज. No, Varda, you are wrong. Please see again. September is the 7th month of the year. October is the 8th month. What is the 9th month of the year? You are getting confused, Varda. September is the correct answer. I said no and you are getting confused. Okay. Answer. So no confusion. September is the correct answer. Varda confused नहीं होना है. Okay, मैम ने बोला तो आप confuse हो गए. But this is right answer. Okay, now tell me the spelling, Varda. Varda, tell me the correct spelling, beta. September. Well done. Very good, Varda. Okay, next time concentrate करिएगा. आपसे कौन सा डे पूछा जा रहा है, कौन सा मंथ पूछा जा रहा है. Else exam में spelling आएगी and you will get the 0 marks. Now next is Madiha. I've been asking now. Parth is a new name. Okay, Parth. आपसे मैंने बहुत दिन से नहीं पूछा है. Parth Madan, open your microphone. Parth Madan. Parth, can you hear me? Yes. Dash and dash are the months of summer. Summer के 2 months बताइए कौन से months है? Which are the 2 months? समर कब आता है? समर सीजन कब आता है? कौन से 2 months में आता है? आपको हॉलीडे भी मिलता है उसमें, समर वेकेशन का. Which 2 months are summer months? समर के months होते हैं, months of summer. What winter season में month? किस मंथ में आपकी समर वेकेशन होती है? अथर, म्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन. पार्थ, आई एम आस्किंग कि आपकी समर वेकेशन कब होती? पार्थ मदर, ओपन करिए माइक्रोफोन. पार्थ मदर. अर्नव राय करिए. पार्थ करिए. पार्थ, कैन यू हियर? यस बेटा, आपकी समर वेकेशन कब होती है मुझे ये बताइए. पार्थ, यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग. आप बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो. बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे हो. मे एंड जून में ही तो आप होती है. मे एंड जून आर द मंथ. Okay, now the class is over, children. We'll ask next class. Part बेटा थोड़ा work है. Okay. So the class is over, children. Bye. Please, bye, beta.